Hi, welcome everyone to my channel. Here is Chen for on luxury fashion, and now I wanna show you this a bit of shopping of Lugano about the bags, Gucci, and this is about also a little bit of Louis Vuitton window shopping, Louis Vuitton, and their new model and the latest bags of Louis Vuitton.
Which one do you like?
Now here we come into the Gucci store of Lugano. They're in their shops, and here a little bit show of their display inside of their store. And I got this for another collection. Let's unboxing this. And the style is circle, which is the latest one nowadays, and it's a modern, the latest style of Gucci. Beige or ebony color, Gucci Supreme canvas, and brown leather trim. It is Ophidia Mini Gucci round shoulder bag. I like the style because it's round and the latest nowadays, and I also like the green and the red one, this style, the color, and it's a leather trim, monogram Gucci, and gold tone hardware with a zip. And inside is the microfiber lining with a suede-like finish. It's a nice color inside, and this is the tag, Gucci made in Italy, and the code. The size of the bag is width and height 18 cm, and dimension is 4,5 cm. Cell phone fit in here up to 74 millimeters, and I put this pin as I like to shorten the strap because it's longer to me, so I put this one. When I asked to the shop, to the woman, if they can shorten the strap, but they cannot do. Instead to cut it, so I just put this pin to make it shorten. At Gucci shop, they cannot help to shorten the strap, so they told me that go to the repair shop of the bag. So it's also ideal to put this pin in to make it shorten the shoulder strap. Chain shoulder strap and also leather. It's a drop with 57 cm. In Swiss franc, it costs 1,230. That's all for now. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and like and share. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe my channel.